In this video, I will demonstrate attaching a VMware ESXi 6.5 host to a storage center array with Fiber Channel I/O cards. Launch the Dell Storage Manager client. Click on Log in to a storage center or data collector. Provide the credentials and click Log in. Click on the Storage tab. Right-click Servers. Click on Create Server from VMware, vSphere, or vCenter. Review the prerequisites and click Next. Provide the credentials for the ESX host that will be connecting to the storage center and click Next. The storage center we are connecting to supports both Fiber Channel and iSCSI. The DSM client didn't find any existing Fiber Channel connections to the array, so it is asking if you want to use iSCSI. If we had zoned the host to the array prior to starting this wizard, this screen would not be displayed. Click No. The server has a 2-port Fiber Channel HBA. The wizard will provide you with information on what zones to create, but it can't tell which switch the HBA is connected to. Document the HBA's worldwide name, then log into one of the switches. We will start with fault domain 1. Click Configure, Zone Admin. Scroll down to the port number that has the server HBA plugged into it. Our server is connected to port 16 on both switches. Expand out the worldwide name to see the worldwide port name, which is underneath the worldwide node name. We don't see the same worldwide name that was displayed in DSM, so we will log into the other switch. We scroll down to port 16 and expand out the worldwide name. This time we find the correct worldwide name for the HBA. Highlight the worldwide port name, then click Create New Alias. Enter a name. Typically this is the server name. If the server had multiple connections to each switch, you would want to identify the different HBAs. We only have one connection to each switch. Click OK, then the right arrow to move the worldwide name over. Next, click on the Zone tab. Click New Zone. Enter a name for the zone. It is typically descriptive of what is in the zone. In this case, we use the server name and array name. Expand out aliases, locate the newly created server alias, and the aliases for the virtual ports of the storage center. Highlight all of them, or one at a time, and click the right arrow. Next, click on the Zone Config tab. Expand out zones. Find a newly created zone, highlight it, click the right arrow, click on Save Config, click on Yes. Wait for the changes to be completed, then click on Enable Config. After it is completed, you can close the zoning wizard. Open DSM and select the appropriate fault domain. In our case, it was fault domain 2. Click OK. The wizard now displays the other HBA's port's worldwide name. Document it and open the zoning wizard on the other switch for the other fault domain. In our case, it will be back to fault domain 1. Just like the other switch, we create the alias for the HBA, then create the zone, and add it to the config, then enable it. When zoning is complete, we continue with the DSM wizard. We select the appropriate fault domain and click Next. The wizard will show connectivity as not connected. Click on Refresh. The status should change to fully connected. If it doesn't, troubleshoot prior to continuing. Click Next to continue. You should get the Host Setup Successful screen. Click on Launch Wizard to create a volume for this host. You can use the Copy to Clipboard feature to save the best practices. Click Finish. Update the volume name and click Next. Update the capacity and click Next. Make any modifications necessary for the storage options and click Next. Adjust the snapshot profiles for the volume and click Next. Click Next to map the volume to the server. Click Finish. To use the newly created volume, click on Storage Devices and rescan. Click on Data Stores and the plus icon. Click Next. Select the compellent disk. You can also update the name and click Next. Select a version and click Next. Make any adjustments and click Next. Click Finish.